Hello there! It's springtime, and springtime is ramp time. So we are out in the country, in the woods, and we're going to collect and harvest some ramps. And if you don't know what a ramp is, here you go. It's this beautiful sort of scallion-y type of wild, oniony, scallion-y, garlicky vegetable. It's awesome. You can saute it, put it in anything, really. They're delicious. There's only a 3-week growing season, so you want to make sure you get it just at the right time. And to find ramps, they like a lot of moist soil. So along riverbeds, or where we are, this is a sloping mountainous hill, so a lot of the water will run down and collect down here. And the ramps love this moist, super moist soil. And this right here, my friend, is a ramp giggle patch. And like I was saying, the soil is really moist, so they're easily harvested. So one of the things you want to be really mindful about when you find a ramp cluster is that you don't decimate the entire crop. You want to, if there's 3 growing together, you only want to take 1 because they take 7 years to grow to maturity, from a microscopic seed to an edible version like this, 7 years. So you want to make sure that you're leaving some for the next years to propagate. So I'm going to show you how to harvest one of these. So as you can see, here's a lovely cluster, and I am going to choose this one and probably this one to pop out. And I have this tool, which I'm not really sure what that's called. And I'm going to loosen the soil around this ramp and gingerly pull out the bulb. Ooh, look at that root. This is a good one. And these bulbs tend to multiply over the years. So if you have some bulbs, they will tend to, what is that word? Propagate throughout the years. So there you go, a ramp. I'm gonna do one more for you. So again, loose moist soil, get in there and lightly, gingerly pull it out. And they're delicious. Verdant flavor, garlicky, amazing. I'll eat this one. I mean, they're amazing. They're so clean and sweet tasting. They really taste like spring. Verdant, garlicky, but a mild garlic. It's not like this, oh my God, what have I just eaten? They're really like mild. You can saute them, put them in pasta, which is amazing. You can saute them and put them in a quiche or in an omelet. Put them in a salad, and you can eat the entire thing from the bulb all the way through the stem. So I hope you go out, find some ramps, and enjoy them, and know that Stefano taught you how to go a-rampin'. Happy spring, everyone.
Hey, look at this. Best in show ramp.
Oh wow, that is a beauty. Wow. It's like the size of your thumb.
Lady ramps a lot.
This is the ramp vista. Look at all them. As far as the eye can see.